Okay, women and ladies, I'm sorry, but the king's gonna have to speak some truth to you, things that you do not want to hear. But here's an explanation for the men. Men who are logical. Okay, I've explained this to a little boy, a young man in the spa, all right, along with a Brian. Okay, not my Brian, my friend Brian, but his name is Brian too, right? He had a tattoo. Fucking, King James, his son named James. Okay, I said there's only one version of the Bible that's accurate, the King's version, the King James Bible. Now, in the King James Bible, you put God first. God is the head. Okay? If you're in balance with God, next comes the husband, the man. This is what the Bible teaches. I don't care if you do not want to hear this. This is just my truth and what I believe in. Do not tell me I'm wrong. You are entitled to your own opinion. This is mine, and this is what God tells me because I read the Bible. If you disagree, too bad. I don't care. Because royalty doesn't give a fuck. Or damn. But when I have to curse and cuss, just take a breath, curse out the devil for putting those bad thoughts in me. I say forgive and forget. And it's gone. It's okay. This is how we're supposed to live. This is the way Jesus told us to live, to love your neighbors. Now, going back to God Matria, since you didn't seem to take the time to listen to it, I'll explain it now. Okay? It doesn't matter if it's Roman numerals like in the old days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Trey Smith, you guys know what the 11 means, right? And then back to 12. It's almost... What time is it right now? Can you guys tell? Looking at this kind of clock? You guys don't know how to tell time looking at this kind of Roman numeral clock instantly? Michael, you will know how to read this instantly, right? You should look at this and read it instantly, right? Is it 1 yet? No. It's a few minutes before 1 o'clock, is it not? So how can you read time? Is it 3 minutes before 1? Is it 12:50? Like there's different ways to read time, right? So it's almost what? 12:57? Yeah. I know. Jesus' number, 1257. Jesus' number. You understand? You find Jesus in the color, sound, shapes, and angles. What I've been explaining in my movies, because I'm a Christian, and I've deciphered this. So 1, 0, 1, the holy 10, God's number. Next comes 2, Jesus is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 4, the Holy Trinity. Okay, the spirits. Okay, the 3s are children. Okay, young boys and girls before puberty are 3s and 4s. 3 plus 4 is 7. Perfection. When you get into puberty, okay, young boys become teenagers. Young boys become a 5. Let me tell you what a 5 is. In Roman numerals, it's V for victory. Victory, boys. You guys are a 5, okay? Boys are 5s. 5. I've explained this to the little boy in the spa, and he understood it too, okay? 5s are like boys because they take things in through their mouth, and they have an exit hole in their entire life. Poo-poo, okay? For the young ones. Guys, we have a mouth, but it all goes in and comes out as poo-poo. Okay? So we excise the bad out of our lives. Poo, 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 poo. You know? Unfortunately, the 3 times 2 is a 6. So women, teenage girls up to maturity. You girls, ladies are 6s. You guys are a 6. Okay? You're a 6. Look. 6. Okay? Do not fear the 666. It's okay. When you see women in groups of 3s, oh man, look at what happens in society. Okay, but none of that. I'll ask Jordan Peterson and experts about that. They'll explain that really well to you. Now, if you're 6, women, that's because you take things in, all the good, bad, everything, your entire life. Your entire life, you take it in and there's no exit. It just stays within you, in the forever circle, in your belly, in your gut, in your heart, that gives you nothing but fear. That is the women fear I keep explaining is. I'm sorry, women. When you're immature, you guys are nothing more than a 6. While teenage boys are 5s until they hit maturity. I believe you mature at the age of 35 or so, okay? Around 35. Okay, Jesus did it in 33 because he was perfect. But it takes a normal man at least 35 years of age to become president and all that other stuff in Congress, right? 35, born in America. You have to be at least a certain age because that is when you're an adult. 35 is when you're an adult. It took me 40 years for me to reach this point. And I'm just a man. I'm a Korean American man. So going back to the 6, you have no exit. So you fester, fester, fester. You can bitch, 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 bitch all you want. Okay? Like a little female dog that you guys are. Always bitchy, 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 bitchy. That's why the term is out there. Don't be a bitch. And that's accurate. Just like the little female dog that you guys are. You're a little bitch. Stop acting like that. It's because you're a 6s. Stop complaining that you're a 6. Be proud. That's your number. Okay? Now, going back to when you're a 6, okay, in reverse order. The 7 cancels and protects because you guys are at 13. That's why in America 13 seems unlucky because 6 plus 7. No, 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 no. But you know what happens when you take one away? You guys become equal. Okay? Take one away, you become equal. You turn that around, maybe get a circle, and then the husband, okay? The 7 that the husbands, because men, when they mature, they become 7. They're a husband, they're 7s. And he gives you the wedding ring, the precious wedding ring that he takes from him like a rib. He gives it to you. And you guys become an 8. Women are 8s. Mothers are 8s. This is why numbers are so simple. In Roman numerals shapes as well. You can do the numbers too, 1 through 10, right? So you can become 8 when you're pregnant and you're married, and you become the perfect 8, the unity of DNA, 23 chromosome 24, all that stuff. How many in the human body, all those things. That's why mothers and women's are 8s. That's why I give praise and glory. I say, hey, you're an 8. Mothers are 8s, okay? Don't try to be a 10. Only God's a 10, okay? Above an 8, you say, wow, you're beautiful like a 9. You're an angel. Yes, angels are 9s. Okay, they're right below God, but slightly above man. That's what angels are. They're 9s. But God is the big 10. That's God. God is 10. And he's in the numbers, as well as the color, sound, shapes, and all of that. Do you understand, people? That's God.